In this video, I'll show you how to insert PDF file in Word. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, we need to click on insert, which you can see at the top, and right here click on object, then click on create from file, and here we need to browse to the location where our file is. So my PDF file is in the desktop, so I'll just click on desktop and just double click on the PDF file. Here we need to tick both of these boxes, and once you do that, just click on OK. So now you can see the PDF right here. So this is the source of our PDF, which we can double click and click on open. But in case if you want to insert the information of the PDF directly to your Word, in that case we need to click on this little arrow next to object, then click on text from file, then select your PDF, and right here Microsoft Word will take some time to load this PDF, and once it is done, just click on OK. And yeah, now you can see the PDF is now inserted on the Word. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.